Support and maintenance are cornerstone services for every scale service company. Being able to address and identify problems remotely and in real time means your customers have reduced downtime, while you incur less cost trying to diagnose issues in the field. B-TEK's real-time reporting platform, Nexia, enhances and amplifies those capabilities. Nexia was designed to give scale service companies an intuitive look into their customers' scales. Nexia assists in diagnosing and resolving challenges quickly to maximize uptime. From the moment you log in, you receive a comprehensive view of all your customer scales. Within the detailed list view, you can instantly identify any scales that need attention. Intuitive icons provide a glimpse into the current health of each scale. Diving deeper into each scale's health is as easy as a click of the mouse. On the overview screen, you can find important usage information regarding the scale. Date ranges allow you to see a historical operational record over a given period. The scale's usage report shows total sessions, its maximum load capacity, number of overweightments, and highest received weight. All invaluable indicators that help you better assess equipment health. Hover over individual data points on the graph to view additional information. Scale errors, uptime, temperature, and network connectivity are all visible in one spot, giving you unparalleled vision into the scale's health. Individual sessions may also be explored, giving you a glimpse into how specific components of the scale, such as load cells, have been performing. Technicians can use this data to schedule preventative maintenance as well as be prepared prior to arriving to a service call. Sales teams can formulate future sales strategies for customers utilizing the collected data. When you're ready to dive even deeper, Nexia's diagnostics captures and displays all of the data you need. Connect to individual scales to see how equipment, such as individual load cells, are functioning in real time. Nexia's diagnostics gives you peace of mind when everything is working or the ability to act quickly when a problem occurs. And because Nexia records the data in the cloud, you can view historical performance, allowing you to plan ahead and ensure future uptime. Gain remote insight into your customers' equipment. Be better prepared. Maximize uptime. Minimize downtime. Have peace of mind. All with Nexia from B-TEK.